We're making the easiest and best tasting chocolate chip cookie dough overnight oats. It's a yummy mix of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and a few chocolate chips to keep you full all morning. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes made with all natural ingredients, then you are in the right place. To make these overnight oats, you could use any small container. I really like using these mason jars. We're going to start by adding half a cup of milk, and you could use any variety that you like. I'm going to use some almond milk. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of some almond butter, but you could also use peanut butter if you like. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of some almond extract, which will give it that classic cookie dough flavor, 2 pinches of salt. Now give these a quick stir. And then for the oats, you could use either old-fashioned oats or quick oats. I prefer to use the old-fashioned oats because I like the slightly bigger bite. So we're going to add half a cup of oats, and then I'll just give that a good stir. Now you can decide if you want to add the chocolate chips now or if you want to wait until your overnight oats are ready to serve. I'm going to go ahead and add mine later, so I'm just going to screw on my lid. And then this is going to go into my fridge for at least 3 hours or preferably overnight. Well, here's a batch that I made last night, and you can see how all of the ingredients have been incorporated. Now if you'd like this to be on the thicker side, you can leave it as is, or if you'd like it to be a little bit thinner, you can add just a little bit more milk to it. And then stir that in. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer mine to a bowl. I suggest about a tablespoon of chocolate chips, but I'll let you decide, and I won't judge. And you can also add a couple more dribbles of your almond butter, if you like. And make sure we get a bite with all 3. That is delicious. I love the earthy flavors that come in from the oats and the almond butter and the chia seeds and the flaxseed. And then it has the perfect amount of sweetness coming in from the maple syrup and the crunch coming in from those chocolate chips. You get to satisfy your cookie dough craving as well as enjoy a delicious breakfast all in one. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm going to feel just as good even after I eat it. And if you would love to receive more healthy recipes and motivation on a regular basis, I invite you to join my Gentle Foodie community. Just click on the link in the video description to join my email list so we can stay connected. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to this full recipe, and it's in the video description below. And that takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.